Oh, this is cool. She said she could do it, and she was right. I hate her. But she's got these glasses on, this little bird. It's like, I'm freaked out. I don't want her getting hit by this damn thing. Okay, oh boy, I'm freaking out. Yeah, this dude. What in the heck? I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. He's like hiding from me. Everyone's like, can you blame him? This is incredible. This is like, she's beaming right now. You're looking at Erica? She's straight up beaming right now. Don't do anything. Just be cool. This is awesome. Oh my god, I'm freaking out, man. Get the hell away from me. I'll hit you. I don't trust little birds. Needles the size of Sword of Damocles. I don't know. That was scary.
That was awesome.
That was cool.
I didn't want to look though because I didn't want to scare it with the glasses.
That was totally cool. Yeah. What do you guys think of that? That was just too cool. Oh my god. All right. Good day, people. Yeah, that was cool. I gotta say. I mean, they got the flowers down there to go to as well, but yeah. Huh, how about that? All right.